Hi everyone, this is Smruti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And in the last session, we have seen how to invoke the jobs remotely, right, with the help of the token, and how to construct that URL and hit it from the browser so that that build is going to get kicked up, right? So, but in today's session, we are going to see how to chain the multiple jobs one after another, right? Or how you can link or you can enforce the jobs to be executed in a particular sequence, right? So let's open this one. Okay, so let's say there are three jobs. Okay, so let's say this is a deployment job, and this is your uh, let's say this is your build job. Okay, and then this is your test job, and this is your deployment job, right? So that has to be done in this sequence, right? So first you have to build your software, right? After build is done, then you run your automation script on top of it, right? So that job 2 is for your automation script execution, let's say. So after your that step is passed, then you go and deploy it to the environment, right? So this is the sequence of job 1 has to be build, job has to get executed. After this is finished, then job 2 has to get kicked up and executed, and after this is done, job 3 has to get executed. Okay, so now if you go to the Jenkins, you can see we have few jobs with us, right? ABC, sample, Selenium framework demo, Selenium framework demo, MBN. Okay, so let's pick these three. Let's consider this is a build job, this is your automation job, which is actually automation job, and then let's say this is a what you can say a deployment job, right? So we have to chain these three. So first sample will get created, then Selenium framework demo local will be getting created, and then Selenium framework demo MVN will get created. Okay, so we can do one thing. So let's open this one, Selenium framework demo, configure. So scroll down, build triggers. Okay, so now you see a build after other projects are built. Okay, so now if I'm saying build after other projects are built, I'll do one thing. Let's take a duplicate, go to dashboard, so I'll see sample. Okay, so sample is here, right? Okay, so sample, and then you see here we can see always trigger even if the build is aborted. Okay, I'll just go with this option. Okay, so there are multiple options you can select, right? Trigger only if build is stable. If build is only stable, then only this is going to get triggered. Okay, and trigger even if the build is unstable. Even if the build is unstable also, it is going to trigger even if the build fails. Always trigger even if the build is aborted. So I'm saying always trigger. Okay, so now apply, save. Okay, and let's go to here you can see, right? So Selenium framework demo local, for this is the sample become a upstream project. Okay, so this is the upstream project for sample is the upstream project for this one. Okay, so now this is linked, right? So now let's go to the third one here, then let's say configure, and here if you see, and here also we'll do one thing, trigger build, it's okay, we can keep this option, we don't need. And all build after other projects are built, where is that option? Okay, this is the one. Okay, this one. Okay, so here we'll give that other project name, right? Second project name, Selenium framework demo local. So let's say Selenium framework demo local. Okay, just to remove this comma. Okay, so and here also always trigger even if build is aborted. So save. Now here see, for this Selenium framework demo ambient job, upstream project is the Selenium framework demo local. So now if you see, three jobs has been linked to each other. Okay, so now let's go here. So before starting, I'll just show you how many times it has been invoked, how many builds are there. So only one build for local. Okay, and per MVN how many builds are there? for MVN, I think 2. Okay, and sample. Okay, sample has been run 3 times. Okay, so I'll just go and say build now. Okay, so now come here, let's go to the sample. Oh, we can see it in the queue actually. Okay, see 1/2. Okay, built-in node, this is executing. Okay, so see, this is second, the sample job has been executed. Now this is executing Selenium framework demo local. So after this is done, you can see it is running in progress, right? So this one will also kick in. Okay, if you want to quickly verify, you can go inside the sample and you can see 4. Okay, it is already done recently. And then downstream project, it's for sample, the downstream project is the Selenium framework demo local, that is under execution. Okay, so if I go to the Selenium framework demo local, I can see, okay, so this is also done. So second build is successful. Now I should be able to see the third one is kicking up. See, so now third one is kicking up. So now if I go here, downstream is executing Selenium framework demo MVN. So here you see the third build is going on, right? So if you want to see console output, you can click and see, right? So this is basically nothing but what you say. Basically we are linking the jobs, right? So the first sample one is the upstream job for the sample 2 for the Selenium framework demo local, and then Selenium framework demo local becomes upstream job for Selenium framework demo maven. Okay, so for this job, this is the upstream and this is the downstream, and for this job, this is the upstream. For this job, this is the upstream. Okay, so this is how we invoked or we linked these three jobs, and they are executed one after another. Okay, this is still executing. Okay, it is done, so it will be finished now. See, success. Okay, fine. So this is basically how will you chain the jobs together or execute them in a particular fashion. Okay, and that's all to this session, guys. In the next session we will see the cron jobs. Okay, so if you guys are really enjoying these sessions, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, and please share this content with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get benefited out of it. Okay, and please if you have any questions, then put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.